Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a review on the HID factory switchback lights and also just the regular low beam bulbs that I bought. And yeah, I'll continue this when I'm home. Just stopped by at Home Depot to get some light bulbs for my new Alright, now that's a little darker outside, I can show you these switchbacks from the HID factory. I forgot how many lumens these ones are. But look, that's just the frickin'... These are just the switchbacks. And they are pretty bright. I've had these for like 4 months. So as you can see, that's the switchbacks. And these are the low beams. So as you can see together, they are really freaking bright. I can barely look into them. But yeah, I honestly recommend this for any second gen owner, because the other lights that I had sucked so bad. Yeah. My only downside with these so far would be like they're aimed super low, but that's my fault. I gotta adjust them. I just been lazy, so I haven't adjusted them, so they're kind of low. So I would like them to be a little higher, but I just gotta adjust that myself. And then other than that, then they'd be perfect. I wanna get the high beam lights for this truck. This headlight is a little loose, just because there's no like to mount it in the back. The piece was broken, so that one's a little loose. But yeah, these headlights are super bright. I recommend them to anyone who needs better ones. They're a little pricey though, so that's the only downside. I'll have the link on both of these in the bio below. And yeah. And also we're gonna be doing a review, or an unboxing I should say, of some new lights we're getting for this truck. Who knows what they are? They could be pods or the big light bar. But you guys don't want to miss that to make this thing even brighter. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little short video for you guys. Here, I'll show you the switchbacks actually, because people were asking for the freaking when I was gonna do what the heck. Oh, there it goes. Car had to be on. So yeah, that's just how the turn signals look. I'll put the hazards. Damn, this is fucking bright. But yeah, those are the hazard lights. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Like, share, subscribe. We're almost to 50 subscribers, which may not be a big deal for a lot of people, but to me it is. So if you guys could just share this video and tell your friends about it, because this page is gonna get blown up with a shitload of new content. So stay tuned, have a good day, and see you next time.